If you need us, call us. Because our purpose is to serve. So, as I pass this mic back to the moderator, I once again want to say, my wife told me she ain't saying nothing, that God blessed me with a woman. That's not only my wife, but my best friend.
Praise God.
Good afternoon, good afternoon. I am getting dressed to go out to my big brother's installation service. He's being installed as a pastor, my big brother Strand. And I wanted you to find out or see what happened to my 2-strand twist. Before I do that, thank you, subscribers. Thank you for your support, your prayers, your condolences, and just hanging in there with me during my time of silence. And for all that you do to support me, thank you. And for those of you who have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting on? Come on, join the G&G family. Let's just spend some time together. We can hang out, learn some things from each other. So click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. As you look at me, you know that my hair has been braided and banded. If I braid and band, I shampooed. So that's what's happened. I just braided and banded those 2-strand twists. Last night I did that, and this morning while in the shower, I shampooed my hair with the 2-strand twist still in them. Now I want you to see what that looks like. I am contemplating leaving them there, but then I'm not sure. I may take them out and wear my hair loose. You're going to see. I'm not going to make you watch all of this, me taking all these bands out, but I will come back and let you see. Okay, I've got the bands out, and I'm going to go ahead and take these out. I think I'm going to go ahead and, I've been wearing these 2-strand twists for long enough, but I'm going to take them out as well. Notice. Won't take that long to do that. So I will speed the video up. Okay guys, so it took me 16 minutes and 55 seconds to take those twists out. Is it worth it? Is it worth it? So this is my hairstyle for today, and I realized I still have a twist. So it took a little longer than I thought. Oh yeah. I'm going to do my 360. Not going to do a lot of talking. Just wanted you to see what was happening to the 2-strand twist. It has elongated my hair by using that method. It looks longer than it usually does. It's still full and I like it. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because He's so good to me. Not only is He good to me, but He's good to my family, my friends, and God is just God. He is just God. And He's a gracious God. Now my 360.